This is the apartment tour. $370 for 28 days on Airbnb, of course. If you get it separately, it would be maybe 320, something like this. So let's check it out. You come in, just nothing special, just this. You got a key right here and some random things, bags. They even put like a label on there. No idea what they are. Someone's delivery. And then you come in, it's like a studio kind of layout. They gave me a few extra things, like random things, you know, to write notes. Like some things you may need sometime in your life. A few of my things here, a few of their things. Even when I came, not here, but when I came to Thailand and I got this in the airport when I got my data, they gave me like a t-shirt or something. So yeah, I might keep that, why not? And in this drawer, they gave me just a bunch of random stuff, which was really cool. So in case you want to clean your ears, why not? Or you need a raincoat, or bags for, I've used these a few times, not this, sorry, these bags. This is an umbrella. So yeah, I've used a few of these things. Yeah, and in the other drawer, nothing there. Yeah, then we got just a bin, Wi-Fi. You got your own private Wi-Fi, which is good. And you got my fridge. Ignore this food on top. And a little balcony area. Nothing crazy. And the view out here, it's like there's a river between me and some people living there. And then in the back, you've got a bit of a city view, which is decent. Yeah, and we'll get more into that. But then there's an air conditioner. Just got the bed area. And here is where I'm doing some of my work and things. So it's just like a studio room. And moving on to what you might find in this bathroom. So included was, well, a few of my things here. And also they included some other random things like coconut oil. I mean, why not? Towels, they gave me 2 towels here, different things. Slide open this and you see just a typical shower. But yeah, some things for your hair, shampoo, body wash, or whatever you want to call it, right here. So that's a nice little few extras. Didn't have to buy quite a few things. I don't know what this is, but we'll just leave it there, why not? And yeah, moving on. Even this was nice, just a little extra thing, you know, to make the room smell nice, and you don't have to think about buying those things. So these small details were really cool. Even an ironing board down there. I feel like these are kind of broken, like slanted, because of the earthquake, maybe, I don't know. Or is it just, it's meant to be like that? No idea. But if we go out here, you see a few cleaning things you have. But also, to open it, there is like a kitchen area here. And a few things there. Just a mini microwave. They gave me all of these necessities, I guess, what you might need. Even washing up liquid. And got a chair, bin, something to cook on here, kettle if you need it. A few extra things up here, make it look nice, plus things you could use. And even the crazy thing, actually, there was something in here. So they gave me, I don't know, maybe the previous guest left these things. But then at the top, they left some Jaeger. I was like, okay, definitely not gonna touch that, because who knows what might happen. Yeah, got your view out here, view this way. So that's pretty much of the place. Yeah, not much else to really say about it. So yeah, for the price, $370. Not the best, but I mean it's pretty good for Airbnb, I would say. This price. So yeah, let me know what you think of it, and I will put the location and the address and all of that information in the description and at the start of the video, as you would have seen. So yeah, it includes the swimming pool. Apparently there's a gym. I'm not even sure if there's a gym. I haven't seen the gym, so, and they didn't tell me if there was or where there was, but I think I saw it on the listing. I have no idea. But yeah, the pool, I haven't been to the pool, only next to the pool, as you would have seen. Yeah, there was no interest. But anyway, all right, so I'll see you in the next one.